the World Trade Center. Hi, Bobby! Later naman kami, so kakain muna kami ng lunch, or actually brunch, and then we're gonna set up. Everything must go today, so kailangan mag-ano kami, sale. Yan, yan ang makeup look ko. Medyo fresh. Oh, ginamit ko yung ni Ryza na Vaseline, yung powder. Ganda siya in here. Bumili rin kami ng lemon. Have lemonade, Mark ordered. Ano sa'yo, darling? Yung orange. So, sorry, ihaw kami ulit today. Liempo, barbecue, Hungarian, pork, rice. Konti na lang. Sherry and Leisha. Hi, girl! Do you have any shopping?
Super Princess Joe.
Oh, I love Joe. He's my friend.
I met her now.
I love Joe. Hi, Joe. I miss you. How about you, Leisha?
What's your favorite channel?
Cute. Thank you for coming. This is baby, oh.
Hi!
Siya yung mommy nung baby na yun.
Ito yung baby.
Nixon. Nixon! Aubrey! Aubrey! Sobrang haba daw yung ano niya. Inuusap mo sa ano niya, tang. Sobrang haba ng tang ng baby. Oh, baby! Cutie pie! Uwi na sila, ha? Kasi malalag. Alam ko si Pinpin! Love you!
No, naka-red hoodie na siya.
Favorite niya. Love you naman.
Hi!
Cutie baby!
Ito yung mommy, ito yung baby.
No, mas malit yung mommy. 3 years old. Finally! Namit namin si Spike! Shit, ang cute yung baby!
Pogi ka? Pogi.
Ah, darling!
Yan eh. Pogi naman.
Sobrang gwapo!
Atat na atat.
Shucks, ang cute niya! Ang bait-bait naman! Hi, mommy!
Sweetheart, sit down din.
Sobrang cute! Nakakagigil!
Spike! Shucks! Si Bobby! Hi, Bobby!
Baka magiging bulldog na kayo, no?
Kami ang baby ko! Ang cutie pie! Spikey! Hello, baby!
Jesus! Ay, sus, tinawag mo gagano.
Jesus!
Baby!
Baby!
Jesus! Nagpa-baby!
Shit, ang cute niya! Ilang taon na to?
2.
2! Baby! Ang bait niya! Hindi siya...
Pinutuwa siya sa mga kamot-kamot.
Ang cute! Humiga na naman! Spikey!
Sleep ka na dito.
Cute!
Sleep ka, sleep na. Sabi mo ka niyo.
Spikey!
Tayo ka na!
One more belly rub!
Tayo ka na!
Ay, sus!
Spikey? Come on, oh! Spikey! Ano yung isipin pa ganyan?
Ha?
Titamad lang siya.
Nagpapaalam, babe.
Oh, sus! Ang cute!
Ay, kako siyang cute.
Another doggy! It's cute! Hi, Kit!
Si
Hi, Kit! Oh, cutie! Naka-pack up na kami, guys. Thank you so much to everyone who came and visited us and bought from us. Super thankful talaga. And then, thank you to Dayan muna. Si Dayan, yung may-ari ng mini pincher kanina. Oh, Chihuahua. Thank you! She gave me this one. I love it. And red is my favorite. Super cute. Tapos, kakabigay lang ng The Fur Factory. We were just looking sa booth nila kanina. I love it. Pang flat-lay. Thank you. I just finished taking photos of today's delicious diet food. And, hi, Booby. Morning.
Hi, good morning.
And, ginamit ko yung fur na binigay ng The Fur Factory. I'll have to link in the information box. Ang ganda, guys. Perfect for flat lace. Very helpful. Woohoo! Mark and I always drink lemon and honey, warm water every morning. Actually, every morning and night. Wala lang, sobrang refreshing sa body. And we're watching Drop Dead Diva. Diva! Alabi?
Diva!
Naglinis kami ni Mark, nag-mop kami, nag-ayos kami na all. Wala na yung mga kalat from the laundry or from the bazaar. Nilinis ko na yung CR. Yes, naglinis ako ng CR. Pati yung room, pati yung drawers, nalinis ko na rin. Phew! Ikaw, anong nalinis mo?
Ako nag-mop.
Oo nga pala.
Ako nag-ayos ng laundry na
Ito
damit.
rin, medyo malinis na. Parat lang konti. Tapos mag-laundry kami ni Mark mamaya. New packages. We're done with bank errands. Now we're gonna walk to Din Tai Fung. Ang okay dito sa Fort, yung mga bangko nila. Look at this. Magkasunod-sunod. Yun. BBI, BDO, yun yung ba? Basta. And guys, look at this. Performing arts, theater. Yung mga buildings. Maganda. Naglalakad kami ni Mark pa Din Tai Fung. We're using Google Maps.
Google it.
We need pedicures.
Oh, wala na naman.
We're super near. What's nice living around the Fort area, almost lahat pwede mo laharin. Buti nga ang anong panahon ngayon, ang ganda na panahon. Then after this, kailangan namin mag-grocery. Grocery, lemon.
And
oh, baka manood kami ng La La Land.
Sailong Bao.
Usually pumipili yung mga tao dito kasi sobrang dami talaga. Kasi siya lang pa. Kitty. Hello. Wala pang tao masyado. That's the area kung saan kayo pwede manood. Okay. Super nice that they have this lagay ng bag.
Mag-order pa.
Diba? Cool! And ngayon wala pang tao kasi maaga pa. Pero later on, pag gabi na, sobrang pila na yan sa labas. I already uploaded a new vlog on my channel. So I'm really sorry if I can't upload pa ng mga makeup tutorial. But I have one makeup tutorial coming up tonight. It's for Maybelline. Pero as for the rest, hindi pa kaya kasi kakalisig lang, diba? So, siguro mga ilang days pa bago ako makalagay ng lashes, liner. And tomorrow, meron akong check-up sa Shinagawa. Okay. Here's the Xiao Long Bao. We ordered pork muna. Tapos mamaya may chicken. Beef noodle soup. Isa pang sobrang sarap dito. Ooh. Tapos you make your own sauce. So basically, it's 3 parts rice vinegar, 3 parts. 1 part root soy sauce. Thank you. Here's the chicken Xiao Long Bao. And how do you know it's chicken? Meron siyang palatandaan, which you can also eat. Para siyang gum. Gum something lang. Sarap, no? Oops. Order pa si Mark ng noodles and then chicken lumpia. Dessert time.
Ma'am, this is your chocolate lang po. Kasi pinalik ko yung golden lang.
We just finished eating. Super busog. Dito lang kami chill lang muna. Cool, diba?
Big heart.
May binili lang ako sa Forever 21 because next week may event kami and the attire is at Leisure. So, yun, now we're here at Kinkberry. Of course, getting our yogurt fix. And then Mark and I are gonna get pedicures, then grocery, and then laundry. And then I think we're gonna catch the yung last full show of La La Land. Hi, Darla.
Yung honey apple. Yes, I have.
It's fine.
Image.
Thank you. Ay, ginaya mo yung topping.
Nope, nope.
For now, here's the grocery. Bumili kami ng... Ang laki naman ito. Walang maliit. Bread, kitchen towel, doormat na pink. Buti nilang may pink kasi ayoko yung ibang color. We have tape, we have detergent, acai berry na drink, apples, oranges, lemon, lint roller, and then some chips. Ayan, we're home and ang dami ng... dami ng fruits. Yaman. Juice. Si Mingming nga. Ang nakatago si Mingming. Malapit na mga anak. Mingming. Gutom ang Mingming. She's pregnant. Malapit na siyang mga anak. Siya na yung pet ko dito. Ay na. Sus. Oh, untog. Nakita ba yun? Nag-away sila.
Bigyan mo raw siya.
Sila? Si Ming?
Ikaw din.
Feel ko asawa niya to. Lalaki to, diba?
Ito lang siya.
Parang pinapaalis niya. Ay! Buntis din siya! Buntis din! We're finally home! Magtutupi na ako ng damit. Pink! I like pink. And then, isa pa para sa CR. Hindi pa pala tayo nakagawa ng apartment tour. End of the vlog, guys. I'm just using one of Benefits parang for... Anong name nun? Ito pala. The Professional Instant Wipeout Mask. Ayan. So, medyo maanghang. Anyway, that's it. Si Mark din nag-mask kanina. We're just watching Drop Dead Diva. Tapos we're gonna go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Bye-bye! What? Bye!